Miss Cassie, step up more, please.
Huh?
Alright, I do have one ticket for you to sign. It's right here. Alright. Possession of marijuana. He wrote down 3.5 grams. I don't know if it's exact weight or not. It's going to be destroyed at the annex anyways. So it's a $75 ticket. I just need you to sign right. Where's that? Right here. Sign right there for me, please. Yep. Signing is non-admission to go. Just means you're going to take care of it. Hold it. You can either one go to court if they.
Hey, he just wanted him to get a phone number out of that.
Does he know the passcode? Alright, what's the passcode here? $82, go ahead. You got that? Let me give you a copy of this item. Just car key first. Or your license. Write this down.
Yeah.
Yes. Alright, I'm gonna give you a copy of this ticket, okay? Alright, like I said, court date is gonna be right here, 30th of May. And the address is. Be safe.